Stop scrolling! Tara, solve natin tong passport exam problem.
So let's proceed to the next problem. Okay, meron tayong shear diagram dito. Then we're asked to solve for the maximum span moment, concentrated load na dalawa. Okay, reactions, concentrated load also. For letter A, for the maximum span moment, of course we need first to draw the moment diagram para mabilisan na siyang makompute kaagad. Okay? So for the area of this shear diagram, we have V1 na 10.5 times A na 3 meters. So this is 31.5 kilonewton meter. And then, of course, ito, add ulit yan, no? So plus V2, that's 0.5 times B, that's 6. So 34.5. So tumaas din siya slightly. And then, negative area, so minus V3, 11.5, and then C is 3. So, hopefully maging 0 to. Ayan, 0. So, which means, tama din naman yung given. So, therefore, the maximum moment in the span is 34.5 kilonewton meter. Now, for letter B, how much of a concentrated load is given to C so that it gives the shear diagram? Siyempre, tignan mo lang, no? There's a abrupt change in shear in this point. Okay? So, from V2, which is 0.5, naging negative 11.5, what did we add? Ganun yun, no? So, yung 0.5, siyempre, pababa siya. So, minus the force in C gives negative 11.5 kilonewton. So, this is simply 0.5 plus 11.5. Which is 12 kilonewton. So, yun yung concentrated load doon sa point C. Now, for letter C, what is the reaction at the left support A? Ito. So, syempre, kung ano yung nagbigay ng value dito, yun yung reaction. So, what value of the force is this? No? Yung shear natin sa point A, 10.5. So, therefore, reaction at A is also 10.5 kilonewton.
Anong gusto nyong sagutan natin next? Comment down below. Follow this page for constant reminders to get back on track.